I believe in the power of these beautiful words that there's no role for women. There is instead a role for each woman, and she must make it for herself. For some, it will be the role of a scholar, for others, the role of a homemaker. For others, it will be both. For yet others, it will be neither. At Maate, women from all walks of life come together to support this journey. We take pride in having a women-centric team who love to be a part of this nurturing culture. Empowered women who play various roles as mothers, daughters, sisters, and wives, and yet strive to excel as professionals. Sharing feelings of love, joy, laughter, and tears, we all are a part of this empowering feeling of womanhood.
Here's to celebrating the essence of womanhood from the entire team of Maate, wishing you all a very happy Women's Day.